You're here because you need to conduct a literature review for your academic paper. I'm here to provide a step-by-step guide to take you through from beginning your searches to preparing to write your literature review. I'm Jack from Proofed. The next video in this playlist is a 3-step guide to writing your literature review, so don't forget to head there next. The 3 steps for conducting your literature review are: search for relevant literature, evaluate the results, and identify connections. 1. Search for relevant literature. Before you can conduct a literature review, you first need a clearly defined topic. This topic needs to be closely related to your research question and overall objectives. Within this playlist, I've included the video Why a Literature Review is Important. It's worth starting there, and I've covered what a research question is. Once you've set your research question, you can use it to begin conducting keyword searches in academic databases. I've put together a video outlining best practices for academic search engines, which will really help with this step. Step 2. Evaluate results. A literature review shouldn't just summarize the existing literature. You need to include analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. In order to analyze the results of your search, you can ask yourself these following questions. What are the authors addressing? What theories, models, and methods do the authors use, and are they valid? What conclusions do the authors reach? What are the strengths and weaknesses of this paper? And how does this research contribute to my understanding of the topic? Step 3. Identify connections. Making connections between the sources you find requires you ask yourself these key questions. What themes appear again and again throughout the results of my searches? Have theoretical positions or methods changed over time? What are the most influential theories or publications in this particular field? And finally, what gaps, debates, or contradictions, if any, exist in this literature? Before we finish, let's double check that we've covered everything with a quick recap. Have you searched for relevant literature, evaluated the results and made your selection, and finally, identified key themes, debates, and most importantly, gaps in your field's research? Now you have 3 clear steps to conduct a comprehensive and valuable literature review to support your research. Now all that's left to do is write it. Head over to the next video in the playlist, which is a 3-step guide to writing your literature review. If there's anything you're still unsure about, check each of the links to the resources that I've put in the description. As always, ask any questions you have in the comments. We post these videos every week, focusing on different fundamentals of writing, communication, and content creation, helping you to unlock your best work. Your writing, proof.